With the rise in Omicron cases, the expected rise in COVID cases here in Quebec, and the holidays coming, more people gathering, why is the Ministry of Health and the Quebec government not making rapid testing more available so that you could limit the number of COVID spread around the province?
The rapid tests are available. I think that right now what we are adding is rapid tests that you can do yourself. So we're working on that. As soon as we receive some from the federal government, we use them. And by the way, it's not true what was said that if you're double vaccinated, that it has an impact on these tests. It's not true. So it's important to mention that those tests are not as good as the PCR tests, but they can be very helpful. So it's important that we be careful.
But you've still received more than 11 million from the federal government, and only a small portion has actually been used and tested. If even though they're not as accurate, it's still a decent tool, is it not, to limit the spread of COVID?
Again, we have to make the difference between tests that where we need somebody to put in place to administer. How you say that?
Yes.
Administer those tests, and the tests that you can have by yourself. These one, we are ready as soon as we receive some to send that to all the people. But the number of people that can administer tests is limited, still limited. And we want to keep on doing the other work in our healthcare system. That's why we need all our nurses and our personnel to do the normal work.
So then why not make the rapid test more accessible instead of just the elementary schools and the garderie?
Again, the rapid test where we need some personnel, we have a limited number of employees, but the rapid tests that we are receiving right now from the federal government that you can administer yourself, as soon as we receive them, we'll give them to the population.